Discover the power and performance of our 140 kg soft mount washer extractor. Designed for high-capacity commercial laundry operations. Our washer extractor delivers unmatched washing quality and efficiency, perfect for hygiene-critical environments like hospitals, luxury hotels, and industrial laundries. Let's look at the features. Our soft mount model can be installed on standard floors, no need for special concrete foundations. It offers super high-speed extraction, delivering up to 450 G-force for faster drying and reduced energy use. The inverter-driven single motor ensures high efficiency and low maintenance. Control your wash cycles with an advanced HMI touchscreen, user-friendly and precise. And thanks to the shock and spring suspension system, vibration is minimized for smooth, quiet operation. At PRACHITIRTH, every machine is crafted with precision. Our advanced manufacturing processes ensure high build quality, reliability, and consistent performance. Behind every washer extractor is a team dedicated to innovation and quality. With our 140 kg washer extractor, your business can save time and energy while achieving exceptional laundry results. Whether you're managing hospital linen, hotel bedding, or industrial uniforms, this machine delivers unmatched efficiency and hygiene. Contact PRACHITIRTH Laundry Systems today and take your laundry operations to the next level.